Today, guys, welcome back to the Bigo'shouse, and today we're gonna be reviewing my fire alarm control panel. Sorry, you guys probably can't see. We're in the sun, so it's kind of hard. Okay, so let's do it. Let's climb up into my little... So this is my little hideout. I have the stairs, and then here's the storage house slash my hideout. So this is my fire alarm control panel. Let's see. We have a hold on, guys. I forgot this brand. We have a unknown pull station. This random Chinese pull station. And then we have the Firewolf single action. This one is a double action. And then we have our shut off. So you can pull it, nothing, and then there's something. So let's reset that. Sorry guys, had to set y'all down. Now turn the power back on. Now let's get our key right there. So let's start with a demo. There we go. Can you all see good? Oh crap. Crow. I almost lost you guys. Okay. Stop. Y'all see good? So first scenario is, imagine this is a full-size regular pull station. Hold on guys, let me go do something real quick. Okay guys, you still there? Okay, I'm back. So like I was saying, you have your regular, imagine this is a regular size fire alarm control panel, and you have a kid and they accidentally go, well, what do you do? Well, you'd use the kill switch. Same with the other one. Oh no, someone pulled it. Kill it with the kill switch. And you can also use the kill switch as an alarm, so you can have those pulled. Let's flip around. And you just tell people push in and turn. And there you go. That's the end of today's video. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.